Good morning, students. Welcome in online session. Students, you know that we have already started chapter 4, more on Microsoft Word 2007. Even I have explained in my previous videos that copy formatting to another selection, then applying subscript and superscript effect, that even I have explained and I have shown that practically also, and then finding the text. Now today, once again students, I will show you that if you want to find the text, how you can find the text from your Microsoft Word document, and then I will explain about replacing the text. Okay, so now let me share my screen and I will show you that how you can find any text. For example, students, this is a Microsoft Word document and a very small 2 paragraphs I have written here. Now, for example, that if you want to find out any particular word or any phrase from your written text in a Microsoft Word, so easily you can find that particular word. For that find option, it is available in a Microsoft Word. Look at here at the end in this editing part. The first option it is a find. Okay, now I will click on it. As I click on a find option, I will get here navigation bar, and this is the find box or search box. Now in this box you have to type that which particular word you want to find from this given Word document. For example, I want to find it. So I type it. Sorry. Yes. Got it? And easily, as I type it here, you can see students that this it word wherever in this Word document it's highlighted with a light yellow color. Got it? In this way students you can find any particular word from your given text. Now I am explaining that when this option is required. So generally students, when you have a very large your article or your content in a document and you want to find that particular word, so it is take time to word when you check that line by line. So at that time you can use this option from Word that you can search that particular word so easily that word it will be highlighted. One more time I show you here. Right now I close this. Maybe that my computer it's hanged here. It's take us some time. Okay, once again I show you. Look at students here. Find option it is given. Click here. Type here. Now I want to search that other word. I just type that power. I want to search power. So as I finished my typing here in a search box, students you easily find that wherever the power word it is given in this Word document, it's highlighted. Got it? So in this way students you can find particular word from your Word document. Okay, hope you that you understood it. Now next option I just explained from that textbook. Yes, replacing the text. First I will read and then I will show you. What is the replacing the text? Word offers a facility to search a particular word and replace it with a new word. To replace text, follow the given procedure. The procedure is given, the image also given, that first of all you have to type. What is the meaning of a replacing of the text? First of all, that sometimes it happens, students, that you want to replace the text. It means in any word is there, you want to write other word instead of that word, so that in this way you can replace that text or word. From that, replace the text option. So for that, what you have to do, that you have to click on a replace button in the editing group on the home tab. In a find what box, type the text that you want to search for, and in a replace with box, type the text that should appear in a place of the searched text. So now I show you that how you can replace it. Once again I open this my Word document. Yes. Okay. Now I want to replace. So look at here in this editing part. Below the find option, the replace option it is given. So I click on a replace. After some time I will get that navigation. Yes, look at here. This find and replace dialog box appears here. Now, first of all, find what box I have to write that word which I want to replace. Now, I will replace here that first let me check. Okay, look at here, information. Information word it is given, and I want to replace it with a power. So first in a find what box I will write information. Okay, and look at down the second box it is given replace with. Now I will type a word which I want to replace in the place of information. I want to write power. Knowledge is a power. I want to make a proverb. Okay, and now just click on a replace. After some time it will happen because many applications are open on my laptop, so that's why it's take a few minutes. Yes, got it? And it will show the message that we are finished, search the document. Okay, students, look at here, in a place of information, now the power word is there. So I had replaced the text from this find and replace option. Understood, students? Hope you that you understood it. Once again I show you, I just click on a replace, and now I will replace one other word. Which word? Let me just knowledge, potential, power, but okay. I want to find that word which are repeat here. Okay, how? I want to replace how. H-O-W, how. And I will replace it with what. For example, this is just example only. What. And now, students, I will click not on replace but replace all, because wherever the how word is given in a whole content, how many times how are there, this all how it will replace with what. So I will click on a replace all. So now you can find the changes. Look at here, what is here, then here also, here also. So wherever I have used how, I replaced all, and everywhere I got that what. So students, in this way you can use this option. Hope you that you understood it. Now on the next page, okay, I just read the tip. Okay, I just read it. Click on the more button to select the other option if required. And now I turn the page. On the next page, yes, wait. Yes, now as I show you that replace all button replaces all the searched text with the text at once, and you can cancel it also. Cancel button is used to close the find and replace dialog box. It means that once again I just open this replace. Look at here that this replace it is for a one time only, and this replace all it is as you want to replace all the searched text. If you want to replace together, then you have to click on a replace all. Sorry. And find next, it means that any other word if you want to find and replace, then you have to click on a find next. And close, if you want to close this, then you can close it. Okay, so hope you that you understood this, what I mean to say, that replace all button replace all the searched text with the new text at once, and you can cancel it also, or you can close this dialog box with that close option. Now the next point is page formatting. Page formatting, creating header and footer. So now I read the definition first and then I will show you. Creating header and footer is used to place important information on the top and at the bottom of every page respectively. You can include the title, chapters, heading, date, page number, author's name, etc. in this section. So this is that image of a header and footer. Now I will show you that what is that header and footer. Look it, right now it is a simple document page, but I want to put a header and footer. Header it means for a heading, and footer it means at the bottom of the page. You know that students, header we used to write that headings and title of that particular chapter or particular topic, and footer generally footer it is used to given a page number in your textbook, always that page number given at the bottom of the page. So what is this? It is known as a footer. Now I will show you that how you can use insert header and footer. I click on a insert option, insert tab, look at here header and footer. First of all I will show you the header part. As I click on a header, I will get on the screen that header part. Yes, different types it is given. I choose this. Look at here, this is the header part. Now here you have to type. For example, I type that chapter 4, more on Microsoft Word. So this is my heading. This is my heading that I have a type on a header. Now I close this header. You can see here, this is a header part. Okay. Now same thing I will show you on a footer. Look at here, this is a footer. And I click on this. This is the bottom of the page. I get footer here. I will type that page number 1. So this is my footer. Okay. So look at here. This is a header, that a title or heading that you have to put on a header part, and footer page number that you can put on the footer part. Okay. So and now from here you can close. So now you can see my document with that header and footer. Understood? So this is a header and footer. If you want to remove this header and footer effect, then once again you have to click on a insert. You have to go in a header and click on a remove header. Header part will be removed. Same way, click on a footer. You can click on a footer, remove footer. So footer part also removed from your screen. So students, hope you that you understood this. Today I have explained that, yes, today students I have explained about that find option and replace all and header and footer from your textbook. Okay, once again when you watch this video, please keep open your textbook so you can easily get it. Now in my next tomorrow's session, I will repeat a little part of this beginning, and then I will start with inserting column and column break from your textbook. Okay, so this session is over. Fine students. Hope you that you understood it, and if you have any query or doubts, then we will discuss in a live session. Got it students? Fine. Have a nice day. Bye.